Good morning, dear blooming students and friends. Let us understand adverb position. Position of adverb, place of adverb. Adverbs are placed, adverbs are used at three places: front position, front place, middle place, and ending place. So let us use position of, let us understand position of adverb. Position or place of adverbs. हमने चर्चा की है. First place, that is front position. Front position. Front position. The adverbs which are interrogative adverb or adverb of affirmation or adverb of negation. Adverb of affirmation, adverb of negation and interrogative adverbs, they are used first before the structure, before a sentence. जैसे और वो कौन कौन होंगे? Sorry. When, where, why, how. When, where, how, or. When, where, how, and why. Why and how. ये क्या बताता है? Adverb when, adverb of time, where, adverb of place, why, adverb of reason, and how, adverb of manner. ये दर्शाता है और इसका प्रयोग हम सीखते हैं. When will you come? When will you come means पहले प्रयोग हो गया फ्रंट पोजीशन. इट इज व्हेन. वेयर डू यू लिव? आप कहाँ रहते हो? मीन्स प्लेस, एडवर्ब ऑफ प्लेस. व्हाई डू यू ईट फूड? आप भोजन क्यों लेते हो? व्हाई, रीजन. एंड हाउ, how do you dance? आप कैसे नाचते हो? How do you speak? आप कैसे बोलते हो? How do you speak? Here you see how. Way or method की दशा में ये आपके adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of reason, adverb of method or way. Okay, expression है तो ये first position पर है. Now इसके बाद आप first position पे क्या लेते हैं? Yes या no भी ले लेते हैं, not भी ले लेते हैं, कभी कभी never भी कभी कभी ले लेते हैं. देखिए, yes I have done my homework. Done my homework. हमने अपना होमवर्क कर लिया है. Yes, teacher asks you that answer to his question is I have done my work. हाँ, तो फर्स्ट प्लेस पर है. या बोलते हैं कि no, I haven't done. I haven't done. As I haven't done. यहाँ not तो बीच में आया है, लेकिन here no, first place, first position it has taken. No, not a single word, not a single boy would, not a single boy, not even a single boy. अच्छा थोड़ा और बन जाएगा, not even a single boy not even a single boy may stay here a little longer. देखिए a little longer, थोड़े देर के लिए भी यहाँ पर नॉट इवन अ सिंगल बॉय, एक बच्चा भी, एक लड़का भी, यहाँ तक कि एक लड़का भी बॉय में स्टे हियर, यहाँ रुक नहीं सकता है. नॉट इवन अ सिंगल बॉय में स्टे हियर, यहाँ पर ठहर नहीं सकता है. एक बच्चा भी, एक लड़का भी यहाँ तक कि यह ठहर नहीं सकता है. मे नॉट. तो here you can see here not का प्रयोग हमने पहले दिखा दिया. no, never, yes or never. never tell a lie, झूठ मत बोलो. मत, never. never means first place it has taken not, no, yes, etc. Yes, yeah. These adverbs have been second, first or front position. So these are adverbs. और भी देख सकते हैं. Perhaps he may come today. Perhaps का प्रयोग है. Perhaps I am a right person to talk to you. आपसे बात करने के लिए संभवतः मैं ठीक आदमी हूं. Perhaps first position, first place before the instruction perhaps has been used. So these are the adverbs, and these adverbs have been used at first place or front place or first position it has taken, and these have taken first place or position before this expression. These adverbs have been used. Okay dear. Next there are some adverbs which are used in the middle of sentence. In the middle of sentence or in the sentence you can say that is now mid position. वो mid position होती है, वो कहीं पर भी बीच में होगा. एक्सप्रेशन के mid position पर प्रयोग करते हैं हम, तो वो मॉडिफाई करेगा किसको किसको. Willy is, Willy है, is very clever. Willy is very clever. Yeah, Willy is very clever. Very adverb. Clever adjective. So this adverb modifies clever. Here you see adjective. तो this modifies adjective. यहाँ ये adjective को modify कर गया. You see here, very adverb modifying adjective. Adjective को modify कर गया. Okay. I have almost done my work. करीब मैं अपना काम कर चुका हूँ. Almost adverb and done work modifying verb here. वर्ब मॉडिफाई किया है, वर्ब को मॉडिफाई किया है, मॉडिफाइंग वर्ब, करीब करीब क्या डन कर दिया, किया गया, ऑलमोस्ट मॉडिफाइंग डन. Here you see adverb has modified adjective, and here verb has been modified by adverb. Janvi would arrive at just at tonight. Just at tonight. Yeah, just at 10 p.m. Okay. 10 p.m. Janvi would arrive at just at 10 p.m. Just adverb and at here preposition. So adverb modifies preposition. Here you see preposition. Just adverb modifying preposition. adverb को भी modify कर लीजिए. She runs very adverb here, and slowly it is also an adverb. तो this adverb very slowly धीरे धीरे, very बहुत धीरे धीरे means this modifies slowly. तो adverb modifying adverb. What does it show? Adverb used in the middle of the sentence. Okay, it means the adverb which is to modify adjective or preposition or adverb generally used in the middle of a sentence. Here you can see ये adjective को modify करने आ गया, verb को modify करने आ गया, and preposition को modify करने आ गया, और adverb को modify करने आ गया है. ये बीच में आके modify कर रहा है. adverb modifying adjective and verb, preposition and adverb. So they are used in the middle of a sentence. In this way, now next position, that is end position, third place or ending position, ending place. End position. End position क्या है? And means adverb is used. Adverbs are used, okay, in the end of a sentence, in the end of an expression. Example देखिए, और अक्सर वो माइनर या प्लेस को दर्शाएगा. She speaks fluently. She speaks very fluently. कर दीजिए, very fluently. Adverb very fluently. Okay, in the position of fluently here in this structure. She speaks very fluently. Sit up quietly. शांति से बैठो, quietly. Adverb. Stand up. Stand up. Stately. Stately. सीधा हो करके खड़ा हो. Stately. In the end of sentence or structure, now these adverbs have been used here. Fluently, quietly, stately, etc. Now, what does it show? Minor, adverb of minor. These are adverb of minor. ये minor है. And in the end of sentence, these adverbs of minor have been used. Likely, you may use so many adverbs of manner in the end of sentence or structure. So it would be better for your expression. और भी देखिए, मैनर को आपने देखा यहाँ पर, प्लेस को देखिए, प्लेस भी in the end of expression, place, adverb of place, generally they are used. जैसे come here, यहाँ आइए, go there, वहां जाइए, in the end आ गया, आप देख रहे हैं, wait for me, wait for me, wait for me, there, there फिर आ गया, wait for me there, लास्ट में प्रयोग करना है, ये एडवर्ब ऑफ अ प्लेस लास्ट में आएगा. She may be somewhere, वह कहीं होगी, place, 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 she may be somewhere. Okay. You may not find such a person, मान लीजिए such a person anywhere, anywhere showing place. You may not find, आप नहीं पा सकते हो, such a person, ऐसा व्यक्ति, anywhere, कहीं भी, means कोई किसी जगह भी, anywhere means somewhere else. ये anywhere here you see adverb and ending position it has taken, ending position, ending position, ending position, ending position. अभी आप नाट को फर्स्ट पोजीशन पर देखे थे, लेकिन यहाँ पर मिड पोजीशन ले लिया है. इस तरह से कहीं कहीं वाक्य, there are so many adverbs, now they take a different position, उनको भी आप देख सकते हैं. She is not, she is not, she is not clever, वह चतुर नहीं है. Not here, इसका आपने पहले देखा है, पहले प्रयोग हुआ है. She never, she has never seen the Taj, seen the Taj, वह ताज को, she has never seen the Taj before, पहले वो कभी ताज को नहीं देख चुकी है या नहीं देखी है. never here बीच में प्रयोग हो गया, not never यहाँ पर बीच में आप देख रहे हैं. इसके अलावा और भी आपने देखा होगा नेगेटिव इंस्ट्रक्शन में, एक्सप्रेशन में, he hasn't, he has not written a letter, written a letter. What does it show? This expression, what does it show? Not, has not written a letter. तो not यहाँ पर बीच में आ गया. You have seen here. इसके अलावा और भी देख सकते हैं. You would not go there. आप वहां नहीं जाओगे, बीच में आ गया. Here not, बीच में देख लिया. कुछ और शब्द हैं. Where there is an emphasis on adverb, in that case, generally, that some adverbs are used before the instruction. Beyond this generalization, इस जनरलाइजेशन से अति दूर हो करके वो काम करने लगते हैं, फंक्शन करने लगते हैं, जैसा कि हम अभी कुछ प्रयोग करके दिखाते हैं. You may see here, जैसे आप कह दिया जाए, really, really, I'm sorry, really I'm so sorry. जब आवाज तेज हो जाती है तो पहले आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी इसको होना चाहिए. आई एम रियली I am really so sorry. आपने ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन देखा हो, आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी या सो सॉरी आप बोलते हैं, आई एम रियली वेरी सॉरी। डबल यहाँ भी एडवर्ब, यहाँ भी एडवर्ब, तो रियली का आपने देखा यहाँ पर प्रयोग बीच में है, लेकिन कह दे रियली आई एम वेरी सॉरी। टू emphasize the expression, now really the adverb has taken place here. Okay, it's the front position. Really, I'm very sorry. Really means emphasis on really, on expression. तो और भी देखा जा सकता है। और भी आप प्रयोग कर सकते हैं। Sadly, slowly, he came. Sadly, slowly, he arose. He rose from his bed. जरा इस पर जाइएगा। Really slowly he rose from his bed. वो अपने बेड से कैसे? Slowly, sadly, उदास पूर्वक। यहाँ एलवाई एडवर्ब है, ये पर वो क्या नाम मैनर बता रहे हैं। Sadly, slowly, I mean here is an emphasis चला जा रहा है। Sadly, slowly, he rose from his bed. ये थोड़ा ऐसी भाषा पोएटिक लैंग्वेज में यूज होती है, और कभी अपने क्या नाम से कि वो बैठाने के लिए एक्सप्रेशन को और थोड़ा अच्छा बनाने के लिए, for rhythmic flow, generally in poems, such kind of expression or sentences you may see. Okay dear, use these adverbs in your own sentences. Wish you all the best. Have a nice day. Wish you all the best and brightest. Have a nice day. Thank